Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back enjoying my pizza. Pizza Hut making it great. What they say back in the day. Back, you want to eat another pizza? You want to eat pizza again? Yep, you can go. Go eat you some pizza, okay? Alright, you get a stuffed crust if you want.
Yeah.
You want a stuffed crust pizza? This right here.
Yeah.
Alright. While he go warm up his pizza. You happy you got pizza, Brock?
Yes.
Alright. Pizza Hut making it great.
Yes.
So making it great. Pizza Hut making it great. Yep. Right here's the crust, the stuffed crust, you know. So, you know, David Robinson ate the pizza the wrong way crust first, you know. I tried it with a regular crust pizza a long time ago, but the thing is, I ain't gonna do that though. You know, David Robinson eat the pizza the right way. I mean, say the wrong way, okay? But I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna eat it the right way. So well, you know what? That stuff cheese crust is too good for me to eat first. That's why I save it for last. David Robinson had launched. He was the first person to start in a commercial, you know. Then after that it was somebody else, and then Donald Trump, you know. With his ex-wife, you know. All right. It was launched in 1995. And I ain't eat a stuffed crust pizza until 1998. One time my mama accidentally ordered a stuffed crust pizza. It was stuffed, so I love it. If I had sauce, I dip the crust in the sauce and eat it. But in our town, we don't call it crust. Sometimes we don't call it crust, but we call it ends. Am I making y'all hungry? I'm sorry. So that's it for the Domino 7 show. Easter Monday Facebook Live, okay? 2021. Thank y'all for watching anyways, okay? Bye-bye, y'all.